Hello everyone, from where we left. We are configuring the admin routes. We have the methods post creating a new product. Admin can update a product, can delete a product, can get all products in the home directory of the admin routes. So to check on this, we can save the changes, and I'm going to use here is postman, which I'm going to use to test the request. So how am I going to do this? We can check on the app. We have the routes. We are configured stock admin stock products, and our server is running on local 3000. So stock admin stock products delete, which will call the delete, giving parameters. We expect ID. Now press adjust one. If we send request, it responds with a simple message: product deleted successfully. All to update. Update is a put request. Can change request there. And the response is product stroke update. Product updated successfully, and create is a post request. Can specify create, and it is a post request. Product created successfully. Okay, now that's the structure for our backend. But if you are very keen, we introduce what's called controllers. I want the controllers to handle the logic, the business logic. So I don't want to do the CRUD operation in this route. So in the controllers, I'm going to create a folder called admin, and in the admin I'm going to create a folder called products. In the folder called products, I'm going to create a file called product.js. Now here is where product controller is defined. Now in the first method which we have is create. I'm going to comment export dot create product. Exports. It will respond with a simple product created successfully. Also we have the one for put update product delete product, get all products. Also we can get a single product by ID. So in the admin, here update, delete, get products, all products, get product by ID. Now I want to import update products in the create products. Create product, update product, and then we have to import them from product. Now here, if you hit the create, you are going to execute create product function. If you hit on update, you are going to hit the update product. Now if you hit on this one here, we just update this first. Delete product. Get all products. This one forget getting a specific product. Get product by ID. Okay, we can now test. Create route. It's working well. To test, create product. This is from the controller. Send again. This is from the controller. Okay, now this make it much easier to organize our code. Okay, now we have our controllers up and running. We want to ensure we set up our model. So in the next phase, we are going to set up our model. Now our model should always communicate to database. So I'm going to create a new folder called db connection.